Hi friends, welcome to this channel. In this video I will talking about how be able to earn money from Amazon Pay application just by refer and earn. Friends, if you want to earn money through Amazon Pay, then link in description. You please click the link below and you will go to download Amazon Pay application, and this type of interface will look like see in front of you, friends. If you are already a customer of Amazon, then you should select already a customer and singing in. If you are new to and create account, you should do this and skip. You can also skip singing in. But friends recommends if you are already a customer, then click this, and new to Amazon, then create this. Then your personal information is required. Please fill all your personal information including names, address, whatever it asks. Then you will redirected to this type of interface. You will see, friends. So here is Amazon Pay, and here is Amazon Pay. How now I will make you how to earn money through Amazon Pay application, friends. First of all, this type of interface look like you should click on the proceed button. After this, you should enter referral code. Referral code I have also given in the description box, from where you take and fill in this box, and then further click on the proceed. You will go there, and please Amazon ask that you should allow phone calls manage etc. So please click on the allow button, then you will redirect it to this again allow button. Then you will select your sim card number 1, sim card number 2, sim card number 1 है, sim card number 2. Please select those sim card which is connected to your bank account. Okay guys, and click on the proceed link below. Then you go there, and please select your bank in which your account and the mobile number connected to each other. Okay, you will see this type of interface. If you want to invite friends and earn money, here is invite your friends. Please click on this. After clicking on this, you will see this type of interface will be appear in front of you. Please don't worry about what is continue shopping. You should click on just continue shopping. After this, you will see app link is there. You have to just share this app link to your friends. Whenever your friends use this uh, link given by you to open Amazon Pay application and pay money through Amazon Pay application first time into any shop or any grocery store or buying online, whatever, you will get 75 cash 75 rupees per head. Thank you friends. If you watch this video till end, then thank you from bottom of my heart. Please subscribe channel for new video. Thank you.